guys, it's Jamie. So guys, I do want to give a few shout outs to a few people that really mean a lot to me and that are so supportive of my videos and my channel. So the first person would definitely be one of my best friends, Natalie. I don't even know where to start with Natalie. Like, she's so amazing. I just find that she's always there to help me. So genuine, so supportive, especially when I started my YouTube channel. She knows how difficult it is for me sometimes to put myself out there, and she's just so supportive that I've done this finally. And she's readily available when I'm asking her questions about what she thinks of a certain image or a thumbnail, adding a certain music to my video. She's always so genuine with the way she helps, the way she suggests things, the way she speaks. She literally comments on every single video, gets so excited to watch every single video. She posts my video on her Instagram story. I love her so much. The next person is my other best friend, Krista. She also watches all my videos. Maybe not right away, but she does end up watching them. She comments on them, and she even goes out of her way and buys these products so she can try them herself. And I know genuinely she's so supportive that I'm finally doing this for myself. And then there's my other best friend, Amanda, who doesn't even have a YouTube account, but literally made an account just to comment, like, and support my channel. She also gets so excited to watch my videos. She doesn't really comment, but when she does, it's like, yes, baby girl, like boom, boom. And then my other best friend, Ella, she is not like a big social media YouTube person. This girl is so busy, always running around, but she does make time to watch my videos. I don't know if it even helps her, to be honest, because we're literally not the same skin tone. She's not really into like makeup or skincare, but she does watch my videos and takes the time to comment on them, which I so appreciate. I also want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers and friend that I met on Instagram, Farha. She's also Bengali and she's so cute. She also watches every single video, comments on them, runs out to buy the products. We talk about makeup, skincare, life, literally anything, and we've connected so much through social media. She's such a sweet person. Thank you, Farah, for always watching my videos. You're so amazing. Also, my friend Azalea, she does watch my videos and she gets so excited to learn new things and also has the cutest comments. If I'm forgetting anybody, I'm really sorry. And last but not least, my fiance. It sounds so like pretentious. My boyfriend, fiance, whatever, Phil, he always watches my videos. Guys, I don't think you understand. Sometimes it makes me so emotional when he, has a long day at work and then he comes home and then he tells our dogs like, hey guys, we're gonna get on the couch now and watch mommy's video on TV. It like melts my heart. I think it's so cute, so genuine, and I know he genuinely is so supportive of my YouTube situation, whatever this is, and he's just so happy for me that I'm finally doing something that I love. This is not an easy task to be on camera, trust me, and it takes a lot of work. So I love you so much for supporting me doing this. If I'm forgetting anybody, I'm sorry, but I genuinely want to thank all of you, all 141 of you, for taking the time, subscribing to my channel, liking and commenting and watching my videos. It means so much, guys. You have no idea. And I'm gonna stop talking because I'm gonna get emotional.